Lugaw, warm, simple and comforting. This Filipino rice porridge is cooked with garlic and ginger, then topped with egg, tofu, or crispy pork. Perfect for any time of the day. It's affordable, delicious, and feels like a warm hug in a bowl. Have you had your lugaw today? Time check is 6:01. We're gonna try some Filipino breakfast, lugaw. Let me see if I can make it and find them preparing it. And then we can see how it's prepared and how people come to buy. Then we're gonna have breakfast with them. Okay. Yeah, good morning. Are you gonna have breakfast with me, lugaw? Yeah, I'm sure they are still preparing. Let me check out. Okay, so this is the place where lugaw is sold. All right. Okay, so let's just go in and see how it's prepared so that we can have a clear picture of what we are talking about. Okay, so I'm right in the kitchen. What's that?
Ano ba to?
Veggies. This is cabbage.
Cabbage, yes.
And-
Mix with ano ba ang
Mongo sprouts
Oh.
and carrots.
Yes.
This is lumpia, so that's for lumpia. Okay, and this one tofu.
Tofu.
You just sell it separately.
Yes.
So tofu is also sold separately, and this is lugaw.
Lugaw.
What do you put in lugaw?
Cow. Ginger.
Do you put
Ginger,
itlog,
onion.
egg?
Yes.
So right now it's in the pot cooking. How long is it gonna take to be cooked?
Ilang ano daw yun? Mga 10 minutes.
10 minutes from now? Do you like lugaw?
Yes.
Lugaw is your favorite.
Masarap.
It's delicious.
Delicacy.
It's Filipino delicacy. And what is this for?
Pork.
This is pork. What are you gonna do with it?
Lechon kawali.
You're gonna make lechon.
Yes.
Okay, but today my concentration is on lugaw. We're gonna talk about lugaw because this is the special Filipino breakfast. Okay, so let's just wait for lugaw. Hello, sir.
Yes.
Yes. Are you gonna enjoy the lugaw as well?
Oh,
You like lugaw?
yes, I like it.
Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna try it today.
Okay, try it after.
Yeah, sure. So I'm gonna wait for lugaw that side. I'm the first lugaw customer. So this is. How about this one? This one is yours as well.
Tokwa baboy.
So this one is already prepared. It's ready to sell, right? Oh, okay. You prepared it as well? Oh yeah.
You want to eat na?
Yeah. Let me try to call my friends if they can eat with me. I don't wanna eat alone. We're gonna have lugaw with my friends. These are my friends, my tricycle driver friends. Yeah. I'm the first customer, and I'm gonna give a blessing so that it sells fast.
Blessings daw.
Yeah, it's gonna sell fast because I'm a very lucky guy. This is my
Halika be oh.
lugaw. Okay.
Lumpia. My name Lumpia.
Okay, you wanna say hi? All right. So we're gonna enjoy our lugaw. Yeah. I'm supposed to sit there with
It's a good
you.
food. It's not mekos ha. It's a good food, healthy.
Yeah, it's healthy. Okay, so this is where we're gonna have breakfast with my friends. It's a feast.
Uy, ano na to?
We're gonna have a feast.
Ito na ba dyan?
Isa pa.
Isa pa.
This is
Vinegar.
vinegar. Okay, I don't need. But before I put anything, let me taste. I wanna know the taste first.
It's a good taste.
Ito. Oh, masarap din yan.
Yeah. It's so flavorful. The
What?
garlic.
Onion lips.
There's onion leaves.
leaves.
Then this is
Garlic.
garlic. You can put some more if you
Yeah.
want. Okay. Let's see. Are you enjoying the lugaw?
Yes.
It's masarap, right? Masarap.
Yeah. Enjoy.
Masarap.
Masarap.
Masarap. It's very masarap. There's lumpia. Lumpia, do you have a dip?
Delicious.
Yeah, lumpia is very delicious. I like lumpia. Okay.
Ito po kasama. Mato. Sinyan sa isa.
This is a very masarap lumpia. Yeah.
Big vinegar. Big towel.
So you put vinegar as well?
Yes.
Una kung aabot. Abot pa tok nineng-neng?
How about you? You don't like lumpia?
Ay, wala. Nasa tokwa
You
pa.
have?
Tokwa.
Or you go with tofu?
Tofu.
Then there's pork.
Tofu with
Tupo and
pork.
pork.
So do you eat lugaw for breakfast every day?
Every day.
This is your everyday breakfast. I think I have to make this as my everyday breakfast as well. Yeah, it's so masarap. Yeah, sure. Yeah, so this is one of the best breakfast options in the Philippines, and yeah, it's affordable and it's very nutritious.
Yes.
Yeah, sure.
Nutrition.
Mm. So how long does it take to finish the whole pot, that pot? Is it gonna finish before 10,
11.
11?
Yes.
The whole pot is gonna finish. I'm glad I made it to be the first customer because I wanted to be the first customer for sure. You are an expert. So this lugaw, I feel so energetic in the morning.
Energy.
I think I need to do some workout because of the lugaw. I have so much energy to run around. Yeah, sure. Where is the cashier? Are you the cashier?
Yes.
Oh, okay. So that's
140.
oh yeah. Okay, you can keep that change.
Keep the change.
Yeah, sure. So it's still early in the morning. People are still coming to buy the lugaw. Let's just see how many people comes to buy the lugaw. Everybody likes it. I like it too, and I feel so energized. For all the breakfast that they have, lugaw is the best option, and it's cheaper and nutritious. Let's see if we can buy some more. We can bless some more people with lugaw breakfast. How much is a cup of coffee?
Ay, 15.
15. Is it nice? Black coffee. So let me try black coffee.
Okay.
Then I'm gonna try your tokneneng as well. You have a very nice spot. Is this a VIP spot?
Yes.
Only VIP?
No.
No? But it's closed. Nobody wants to go there. It's closed. Oh, it's open. Oh, it's nice. This one is nice.
Bahay pugo.
Wow.
Kahit munti.
Yeah, this one. I think we're gonna try to sit here because this one is nice. It looks like a VIP lounge, but they said it's not VIP. So we're gonna sit here. We're gonna try and sit here.
Tinikman mo ba to?
Let's as we wait for the coffee and the tokneneng.
Kopi and tokneneng.
Okay. So this is black coffee. I'm told Philippines has the most delicious coffee. Oh, there's light here. Let's try this coffee. This black coffee. Oh, Wow. There's everything. There's a fun. That's why I said it's a VIP lounge. Yeah. Wow. The coffee is nice. Let's try this tokneneng. This tokneneng is the bigger version of kwek, that quail egg. The texture, the flouring is just the same as kwek, but the difference is this one they use the dark egg. That's why it's called tokneneng. So we're gonna try this tokneneng as well. It looks so masarap. The flour is crispy. The business is slowly picking up because it was too early the time I came. I wanted to catch them preparing the lugao. Everybody likes lugao.
Neng, asan si Michael? Ala, papalit ako. Wala akong bariyo.
Okay. All right. I'm looking for employment as a waiter. I'm not gonna ask for much. Maybe a plate of lugao every day, or maybe I'm gonna just do it for free. Am I welcome to work? Oh, for free.
Today.
I start today. I'm the new cashier. You see, they've just employed me. Yes, you have to introduce me to everybody that I'm the new cashier here. Anong pangalan mo? These are my friends. How about this?
Bia.
Bia.
Hello.
Yeah, she's a very beautiful girl. Okay. Hello. Bye bye.
Bye-bye na.
Bye bye. Okay. Okay.
Turkeys.
All right. Have you paid for the food?
Not yet.
I offer. Can I pay for the food because of this beautiful girl?
Wow.
Yeah, can I? Yeah, okay, sure. I'm gonna pay for that. Yeah, I like the little girl. Ate,
Yes.
how much is the bill for them?
Ano ba yan? Ilang lugaw yan? Dalawa lang po. 24 plus 50, 74 plus 15.
Okay.
74 plus 15. 89?
And how much is mine?
89.
For everything? Everything from that VIP lounge?
Oh.
Okay.
Yung kape niya pala. Wait.
So that's a VIP. So it's now building up. Like a lot of people are coming now. You know, I was the first customer here. Yeah, and I've been given an employment. I'm a new cashier. You have to pay through me. Kuya, you have to pay. That's your pay?
Yeah.
Okay. For this? Okay. Okay, so that's the pay for that. This one.
119.
Okay, so 119 for my
19.
for the logo.
30.
Okay.
Thank you.
I'm from Zambia. You like lugao?
Yes, of course.
Okay. So is that your favorite breakfast option?
But in Zambia,
Yeah, in
what's
Zambia.
breakfast there?
Breakfast is usually bread and tea.
Same breakfast.
Yeah, sure. We don't. There's not so much rice.
You're not eating porridge?
Oh no, I've already eaten. I was the first customer here.
Already already channel in YouTube? Or-
Yeah. I have a channel on YouTube.
Yeah.
Go with David. Go with David.
Go with it.
Yes.
I will find it.
Yeah, sure. You should find it.
Soon I will watch my...
You're gonna watch yourself. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sometime.
All right.
Thank you. I will.
Okay. Hi. How are you?
Fine.
How is Lugao? You like Lugao?
Yes.
My Lugao. I'm the one who prepared that Lugao. They didn't tell you?
No.
I prepared that Lugao. So when you taste it, tell me. Let me know how it tastes. If it's masarap, then let me know. Okay? Okay. 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 I have to leave now. I'll see you, my friends. Okay. Take care. Enjoy. Bye bye, baby girl. Okay.
You want this? Takwad baboy.
I've already
Special
tried
to the house.
this one is special.
Yes.
Yeah, I've already tried this one.
Yes.
We had
It's
a
very
very
delicious.
big breakfast with my friends
Ay,
here.
naku,
Yes.
pasensya na
Yeah,
kayo.
you should have come and join us. But
I was
uh,
late.
Yeah, you are late.
Yes.
You are late. But next
Come
time,
on, that's it.
next time we're gonna sit and
Yes,
eat
yes,
together.
okay.
Yeah,
Thank
I've
you,
just
thank
had enough.
Yes.
I've had tokneneng, I've had coffee,
Yeah,
and
tokneneng.
and a big plate of tofu and a big plate of lugao.
Yes.
Yeah.
You know the terms, huh?
So
Tofu.
I'm already full.
Yes.
Yeah, so I'm gonna come next time, then we're gonna eat together. Okay, I'm leaving now. Okay, bye bye. Thank you so much. Okay. All right. Okay, I'm leaving. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye bye. All right, so that's how it is. That's how breakfast is done in the Philippines most of the time. So we've just had lugao. Did you have lugao today? No? You don't like lugao?
I don't like no breads.
Bread is your favorite. But lugao is so masarap. I like lugao. Yeah, I've just tried lugao for the first time today. It's so masarap. You have to. Okay. All right. See you. Okay. Okay. See you. That was it for today. At least we've had some breakfast in the Philippines, some lugao breakfast. I recommend you try lugao. You know, it's a very nutritious food, you know, glutinous rice, some kind of porridge, you know, then they put the ingredients, they put garlic, they put meat, you know. It tastes so good, it's nice. You have to try that. I recommend you try it. That's it for today. See you in the next video. Bye bye.